Welcome to watch today's fresh home. By maintaining the historical elements of the existing terrace home, Tom Mark Henry pays homage to Renny Street's history while instilling a contemporary, artisanal approach throughout. The architect applies a timeless and carefully curated selection of finishes and materials that bridge the gap between the past and present, incorporating details that imbue the space with character. Similar to many terrace houses in Paddington, an inner Sydney suburb, each residence carries its own narrative of past inhabitants. When reworking the interior of a heritage home, Tom Mark Henry chooses to draw inspiration from the existing rich details. A sense of warmth permeates the space within, with every finish and surface chosen to cultivate a serene atmosphere, offering a retreat from the bustling outside world. Renny Street is envisioned as both a restored dwelling and a nostalgic homage to the past, brimming with charm. Throughout the design, bespoke joinery seamlessly integrates into each space, catering to the modern needs of the occupants while preserving the timeless elegance already present.